some different styles on her mini twist.
But I'm gonna do this.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
We can do that.
Besides, we actually have my toys and my backpack and all your stuffies. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started.
Hey. Y'all, guess what? We're moving to a new house. So I am so thankful that the kids' hair is in mini twist, so I don't have to do any maintenance because all my tools and stuff are boxed up already. Look forward to that video next week. I already had their hair in mini twist. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. The link is below. Now, the whole point of having mini twists is to have a protective hairstyle with low tension on your edges. Plus, it's cold outside, so to keep the moisture. But they do like to switch it up in between the twist out part. So here's some cute little styles that I do to keep things interesting for the kids. First is the swoop. Very cute, very demure, very easy. Clip it with a bow or some bobby pins.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe.
Now, I did spray her hair with some water, but y'all, she put so much product in her hair. I'm trying to blend it at this point. Look how cute that is. Period. Got your bow.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's Judy at a Tootie. You mad at me? No. Oh, look at that. That's cute. That would be cute with a bobby pin too. Let's see. Hey. The next style is half up, half down, which we sometimes do in pigtails or we'll do just buns. If you ask me, I like both, but my kids prefer the buns.
Now we need a rubber band.
It is dry.
I know.
Okay, so now. Oops.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Continue.
Simple.
Symbol. Is that symbol? What symbol?
Simple.
Symbol. Can you call me?
Yeah.
Ooh, I like it.
She was obsessed with this, but it kept her busy. All I know is her hair is going to be moisturized until 2026.
I want to get fancy.
You want to get fancy?
Yeah.
Okay. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put like this. And then we'll do it like that. You know what? I'll just go ahead and just keep it like this.
I want to make it flyer. Choir, I think.
Hold on. Let me cook. You could do it like that.
Am I pretty?
You're always so pretty. Now this is my favorite hairstyle, which is 2 braids. And then in the back, I usually link them together with a bow. She did not like the bow being back there, so there's no bow this time. But you can, if you choose to, lay down the edges with like some edge control or some gel. I opted not to do that because, again, the whole point is to protect their edges. And because we're moving, most of my supplies is put away.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I like it.
You like it? Ooh. You are so pretty. You're beautiful. Do you know that? Yeah. Yeah. Hold on, let me get the bag.
I feel excited to see Arya.
Mm-hmm.
I know. And I mean, hold on. Like, oh, wait. Can I go right there?
Well, can I put your bow on? There you go. I don't know what you would call this style, but it came out beautiful. I decided to do the same hairstyle. I decided to do the same hairstyle on my older daughter's hair. I did half up, half down buns, and these were actually really cute because I decided to give her like a little bang, okay? I did the same thing, moisture, water, leave-in, and an oil. That's it. And then I styled it. My kids do not like to wear bonnets at night, so they have silk pillows. But I need this hair to hold up at least one more week. So that's why I am trying my best to make sure I maintain their twist as long as I can. And here are the final results. Y'all let me know what you guys think of the hairstyles. And we'll have more videos soon of our moves. So like, comment, share, and turn on your notifications when I post a video.